A crowd outside the old Guilford County Courthouse.
Incremental steps.
Standing against a proposal to change the Guilford County firearm ordinance, while inside a packed Board of Commissioners meeting.
So I have nothing but respect for shooting, but I think it's very important that we shoot responsibly.
Some who support the changes they say will keep neighborhoods safe.
We have doubled the calls in the last 15 years for responding out for shots being heard.
Even the Guilford County Sheriff's Office standing in support of new moves to limit the use of guns on private property.
So we want to make sure that the people who are shooting have a right to shoot with the proper equipment that they're shooting at and through. And we also want to protect their neighbors so that the shots that are fired, basically friendly fire, does not come back to haunt them.
The new safety recommendations include increased distance requirements for shooting in close proximity to other homes, a reinforced burn or backstop for firing, restricting when people can shoot to between 8 in the morning and 9 o'clock at night, and a time limit up to 3 hours for someone to fire on private property per day.
The county overstepping and trying to dictate what people can and can't do on their own property.
Eric Young doesn't agree with the proposed restrictions. He has a private firing range in his backyard and thinks the laws in place are enough.
I'm hoping county commissioners just decide or come to their senses and say, look, we've already got laws on the books. Let's just enforce those.
Chairman Austin says the changes are needed as Guilford County continues to grow. He says it would not impact hunting or existing firing ranges, and if it passed, it could mean a fine up to $500 for people who don't follow it.
Our intention is not to try to limit your use of your guns, your ownership of your guns. We just want you to make sure that you're responsible and considerate of your neighbors.